I'm going to be doing 2 different videos. One of them, I'm just going to put this together. The second one, I'm going to add functional light. But for this video, we're just going to go ahead and put this together. So let's begin. First thing I want to do is lay out all the parts, make sure we got everything and we're not missing anything. I've had this happen before where I'm missing a piece. At the front of the car, they want us to put G and J together. So these 2 parts, I'll push this down. Gotta flip it over, get a 3/4 inch screw, and we're gonna put it right through. Now you're gonna grab your installer, which looks like this. You're gonna grab one of the wheel nuts, the bar. So one of the bars, you're gonna push down, and you're gonna come up and hit it with a hammer. Just like that. Make sure it's facing down. Then you're gonna grab the wheel, also face it down. Push through, grab a washer. Let it go down. All right, now you're gonna slide this through. Comes out, flip it to its side. Once you got it flipped over like this, grab another washer, put it down. You're gonna grab another wheel. Obviously we're gonna face it like that. We're gonna put the push nut, grab your little install tool again, and we're gonna hammer it down. Just like that. We're gonna do the same thing for the front. Go ahead, grab your little install tool, just like that. Once you got the push nut in, we're gonna put the wheel, washer, then we're gonna slide it through, flip it, other washer, other wheel, and last but not least, there we go. Next step, you're gonna grab H. You can see there's an arrow right here. So we're gonna push these 2 together, grab the steering wheel, push it right through, and then it's gonna lock into here. Just like that. Okay, so you're gonna grab your cup holders and kind of tilt this a little bit, push through like that. And now we're gonna put our 4 screws in. Grab 4 of your 3/4 inch screws. I'm gonna place them one by one. So for your seat belt, you're gonna grab your 1-inch screws, and you gotta see that there's a flat side and there's one that has a groove. Put it through the one that's grooved so it can sit flush, and we're gonna install it. So this is part letter S. Gonna put it right through here. It's gonna poke out the other side, just like that. You're gonna grab this washer. Gonna put it down, and then we're gonna tighten this. It's an 11mm. Don't over tighten it. Perfect. So now we're gonna grab this handle, and we're gonna grab, I guess, this wing nut. We're gonna have to snap it in, just like that. So it's gonna come out through that groove. Now we're gonna go ahead, place it on the little car. There we go. And don't tighten it. We gotta have some slack down here. Go ahead and grab this long screw. We're gonna push it through. There we go. Now put the nut, and on one side, you're just gonna hold it and then tighten it. And I prefer to tighten it on the nut side. Not too much, just where it meets. You're gonna want this to swivel, so that should be good. And now, if we need to put it in a car, we can go ahead and do that and put it back up. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and put our cup holder in. I don't think it really matters what side, whatever you prefer the label to be at. I'm gonna face it inward so I'm not looking at it. What I found easiest is push one tab through first, and I'm gonna squeeze this way, and it's in. We're gonna put the stickers. I'm not gonna put this on camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab something like an antiseptic wipe, and we're just gonna clean the surfaces before we stick them on there. Wipe it down, just keep doing that, and then go ahead and put your stickers on. And like I said, part 2, I'm gonna add some functional lights, so if you want to see that, I'll be putting a link once I'm done with that video. But anyway, this video helped you out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.